Alright, what's up YouTube? Today we're going to be making 2 salsas at the same time. Alright, we got about 20 chiles de árbol or chiles japoneses. I prefer chiles de árbol. And 12 tomatillos. That's what a tomatillo looks like when you buy it in the store. I had just already peeled and washed mine. That's just for reference for you. And 2 garlic cloves and some kosher sea salt. So we're going to drop all our tomatillos in some boiling water and the garlic cloves and cover them bad boys up. Now we're gonna switch spots and we're gonna toast the chilies. And this is probably the salsa I eat the most. Yeah, it's my favorite tomatillo salsa or sauce. All right, and then I turn those bad boys off because as you can see they're toasted. You don't want them black. The salsa will become too bitter. You just want them toasted on one side nicely. You don't have to have your house smelling or have the air like death. I don't know if you've ever been in a house when they're making chile, but you can hardly breathe and you're coughing nonstop. All right, throw 1 garlic clove and I put 7 tomatillos in. We're making our non-spicy sauce first. I'm gonna put about 5 to 6 chiles de árbol in. This is really a super mild sauce that everybody can eat. I mean, even if you don't like spicy food, it's not spicy at all. All right, look at that color. You can tell it's just mostly tomatillo in there. The chilies are just to say it's a salsa, but you know, you're not scaring anybody with that. All right, there's sauce number 1. And now for the killer sauce, my favorite. Add the rest, 5 tomatillos, and don't forget your little garlic clove. There you are. Never forget you. And I'm gonna put the rest, so about 15 chiles de árbol in there, or tree chilies, tree chilies all the time. All right. And then look at that color once the chilies start to blend. Fire. All right. And yeah, there you have it. In the time it took to boil them bad boys, you got 2 sauces. You ready for that carne asada? Let's go, baby. All right, you just saw how easy it was to make 2 salsas in the time that it took to boil the tomatillos. And yeah, 2 salsas, 1 spicy, 1 mild. Great for a carnita asada. And they taste more than half decent. Enjoy.